As we already learnt precautions, cockpit drills, moving off safely and pulling up on the left safely. Now we're going to learn turn left and turn right. Left and right turning for phase 1 learners. Phase 1 learners are the basic learners who are the beginners who never driven before. So I'm going to do full talk through on this lesson to teach the beginners. When you do left and right turnings, you have to remember a routine called MSPSL: mirror, signal, position, speed and look. If you remember that routine, when you approach any junction turning left or right, first of all you check your mirrors, give your signal, then position slightly on the left if you are turning left, or position slightly on the right near to the middle separation line if you are turning right. If once your position is sorted, reduce your speed according to the junction. Normally the speed of the junction turning left and right is around 10 to 15, which is fine. So if you are in gear 1 or gear 2, that is absolutely fine. For the beginners, we're going to start from gear number 1. So once you get a bit better, you can use gear number 2 as well. So we're going to start it from here. So start the car, prepare it, do the observation from the curb side, give signal and final look, and we are moving now. Once you moved safely, check your mirrors again, what is happening behind you. Okay, so the next road we are turning left. So check your center mirror, check your left mirror, give your left signal and position slightly on the left side, reduce your speed and keep at least 1 meter gap from the curb. Start turning slowly, like that. On a new road, check your mirrors again. That's how you do the left turning. Okay, so we will repeat the process again. We're going to turn left from the next junction. Check your mirrors, give your signal, position slightly on the left side, near to the curb, at least 1 meter gap from the curb, and enter to the new road. Make sure when you turn left, stay on left side of the road. Do not overlap to the right side of the road. Once you are on a new road, check your mirrors again and drive safely. Initially use the gear number 1 as the car will be in a control. Once you are a bit better on gear number 1, you can use gear 2 as well. So this is how to do left turnings. Now we're going to learn how to do the right turnings. Check your center and right mirror, give your right signal, position slightly on the right near to the middle partition line. Check what's happening on the road where you're going to. If it's safe to go and there's no oncoming vehicle, start turning right. And stay on the left side of the road. Do not do the corner cuttings. What is the corner cutting? Corner cutting is when your tire goes on the wrong side of the road, other side of the road. The road you are going to, make sure you stay on left side of the road all the time. Once left and right turnings are done, you have done lots of practice on that and you can control the car. After that, you can start learning the T-junctions. T-junctions are slightly difficult than turning left and right. So make sure you have a good control on the car when you start turning left and right on the T-junctions. You have to follow the same routine. MSPSL, mirror, signal, position, speed, look for the T-junctions. The only difference for that is you better off use gear number 1 for the T-junctions if they are closed junction. If they are open junction, you can use gear number 2 as well. But my advice to you is make sure every T-junction you do, use gear number 1. In that way, you will be more safe. When you approach to the T-junction, look right first because cars coming from the right side is going to affect you first. So look right first, then on the left side, and then on the right side again. And if it is safe to do so, then you emerge from the T-junctions. If it's not safe, there's no visibility, there's no, there are cars parked on the left and right side, then you can use peep and creep method. What is peep and creep? You can peep like that, and then you creep a little bit forward. That's the best routine to do on the T-junctions. Okay, so now we're gonna learn how to do T-junctions. Left and right turning from the T-junction is slightly difficult than turning left and right, because you got to look on the right and left properly. As we are approaching to the T-junction, check the center and left mirror, give your left indicator, position slightly on the left, near to the curb, at least 1 meter away from the curb, approach nicely, slow down, look right, left and right again. If it's safe to go, carry on going through. Another left turning coming up. So check the center and left mirror again, give your left signal, position slightly on the left, leaving at least 1 meter gap from the curb, approach to the giveaway line nicely, look on the right, look on the left, look on the right. If it is safe to go, carry on going through. This is how we do left turning. Now we're going to do the right turning. So check your center and right mirror, give a right signal, position slightly on the right, but don't cross the middle partition line or separation line. Line up with the middle of the road you're going to and start turning. New road, new mirrors. So we already learned how to do left turning from the T-junctions. Now we need to learn how to do right from a T-junction. Same routine, MSPSL, check your mirrors. This time you have to check center and right mirror. Right signal, position slightly on the right, near to the middle partition line. Do not cross that line. Approach nicely to the giveaway line. If the giveaway line is faded away, you need to line up with the curb on the left and right. That's it. So there's a car coming from the left side. Once the car is driven past, you can enter onto the new road. When you turn right, make sure do not do the corner cutting. Okay, so we will repeat the same process again. At the end of the road, turn right. As it is a blind junction, the blind junction is a junction where we can't see on the right and left. So you have to approach slowly. Better off put in gear number 1. Check your mirrors. Give your signal from a distance. Position slightly on the right, near to the middle partition line again. Do not cross the line. Approach nicely up to the giveaway line. Start looking right, left, right. No one is coming. So you can enter on a new road. Check your mirrors again. New road, new mirrors. Positioning is very, very important in driving. So make sure wherever you go, position properly. If you position your car properly, half of your job is done, because position basically dictates where are you going. So in today's lesson, we learned junctions, turning left and right, and on T-junctions, turning left and right as well. As I started a series of lessons for the beginners, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so as soon as possible, and you will get a notification for new videos, and those videos will be very helpful for you if you are a beginner.